Okay, class, we'll draw a skirt something like this. Okay, I'm very difficult to draw. Okay, we'll draw the simple cloth like this only, okay? Okay, so it can be drawn here, okay? Still the same thing. We're drawing a rectangle first for our cloth, okay? So you can make it slightly bigger, okay? So to edit it, you can use this point, okay? To select the points, okay, and slightly move it, okay, adjust it. This one to edit the pattern. So you can edit the patterns here. You can drag and drop lah. So this one you can move it, okay, to rotate it lah. So you can make it bigger a bit, adjust. Okay. So normally for our clothes, okay, now the fashion one will be up a bit, right? So this one can up a bit, or whatever's lah, your designs lah, okay? Now we want to make the shape like this, okay? So we add a buttons, or we add the patterns here. We can add here, okay? Okay, we can add the points or make it in the middle here. We add a point here, okay? And we also can make it the middle, so you can see the numbers, so you make it like balance, okay, something like here, or okay, in the middle here, roughly. Okay, so in the middle here, okay, so wanted now, okay, you can select this one. Okay, you can see this is the edit the curvature point. So here you can just drag it like this, okay? On this one, can delete the points. And then you edit the curvature, you drag it like this. Okay, can? If you want the middle one, okay, so you can add the points here. Okay, depends on your design, okay. So this one, edit it. So you can move it down, this one, this point. Edit the patterns. Okay, so you can go down, it will be like this. Okay, so then you also can use this curvature, okay, you can edit the curvature here, you can drag here like this, so drag. So you will have these kinds of shape, okay. So normally our hand here, so we need to have adding a points here. You add a points here, roughly this point, right? And then this point, okay? Then we select this, okay? We edit the curvature, you edit like this. Like this. Okay? So roughly like this lah. Can okay, look like singlet, right? Okay, so now we done the shape here, okay. You can do the selection for your entire shape, okay. You can, okay, this one you can mirror copy, okay, or you can Control C, copy, and then you mirror paste lah. Okay, so you have a mirror paste here. Okay, so now you'll see two of this one, okay, we can take out. Okay, so now you see the gray color is behind and this one is the front. This one we make it behind, right? Correct or not? So you turn to 360, okay, you turn to 360 and you put behind. Can? So okay, you can make it close a bit first, okay? Okay, make it close a bit. Make sure the gray colors is inside, for facing inwards, okay? Roughly like this. Can. Okay, now your front and back also got already, you not make your things here. Okay. Then, okay, select the segment. Okay, you select the segment. You choose sewing. You see this is a sewing machine, right? Click the sewing machine. And this one segmented is means that it will be have the same segment to sewing. So you see this one to sew with this one. Okay? Then this one sew with this one. You see this one is the ballet already. So means that this one will sew to this corner, this one will sew to this corner. So you will have a cross one. If your parallels means that they are correct angles like this. Okay? Then you turn this side, you choose this one and you make it like this. Parallels. Then this one to this one to this one to this one. Okay, done. So you will have something like this. Up here, these two, and this one wrong already. Sorry, wrong already. This one with insert. Okay, this one with this one with this one. Cannot see with this angle. Okay, this one with this one. I'm choosing the segments. Okay. Okay, this one with this one. This one with this one. Okay, now done already. Press the space bar. So now you have this cloth. Okay, you have this singlet. Is it okay? Okay, then after that we'll have a skirt. Okay, how to draw a skirt? We have a rectangles, okay, for our skirt. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, move it like you see the line, and then you edit a bit. Okay, for your skirt. Okay, so this one, copy paste. So you have another skirt, so you can put down a bit so that we sewing is we can see lah. Okay, so now our skirt normally is you edit the points here, you edit the patterns. This one we make it like here a bit, right? Correct or not? The angles is roughly, it depends. I choose the angles like 76. 73, okay. Okay, so you can put, you choose this one, you put assign a bit, so make more space. This one, edit the pattern, so you move it like 73. Okay, so my skirt is like this. Then this one, same, goes to 73, like this. This one, drag 70. I put 73 lah. Okay, so something like this, my skirt. Okay, so you can see this one, I put it behind, same thing. I rotate it to 360, go behind, rotate it. So make sure that your gray colors is for facing inner. So you can move it. So move a bit. Okay, so my skirt is something like this. Okay, so now, okay, we want to sew this one with this one, 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 right? So go to the sewing machine and same thing, segment sew. Okay, I'm choose this one with this one. Okay, I'm choosing the wrong one. This one with this one with this one. This one with this one. Okay. This one with this one with this one. Okay, this one. This one. Okay, now press the space bar. Okay, now you have a skirt like this. Done. Okay.